Hi, I'm Crockpot Ambassador Poh, and I'm about to show you how to do a tomato and anchovy lamb shank ragu with risoni using the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multicooker. Okay, we're going to start with our mirepoix or aromatic base. So we've got onion, garlic, I'm going to do some carrots. I'm going to cut this into a small dice. If you don't have great knife skills, you can throw this all into a food processor and finely chop it. So you can see that's quite a fine dice. This is called a mirepoix in French. It's the base of any good soups or stews. What it does is create this beautiful umami base where you start those foundations of flavour. Okay, onion. Next, I'm going to cut up the capsicum. If you're fairly confident cook and you want to add an extra dimension of flavour to this, you can actually char that under the grill and then peel the skins off, then slice it. This is a larger dice. Gorgeous. We're ready to go. We can start cooking. I'm going to begin by pressing the saute function and stop-start. Olive oil, anchovies, and then all your mirepoix, garlic, and I'm just going to throw in my capsicums at the same time. I'm going to score these lamb shanks right to the bone to help that heat and also the gravy penetrate all the way through the meat. This is sizzling nicely. I'm going to give it a bit of a stir and keep it moving. I don't want any colour on this, I just want those aromatics to sweat down until they're nice and soft. I'm going to add a good pinch of salt in here. This recipe would usually take me about 3 hours in a normal cooktop or an oven. In the crockpot, it's going to take me 35 minutes. How good is that? Not only that, one of my favourite things about the crockpot is that I can walk away and multitask. For anyone who's worried about anchovies, you won't actually taste it very distinctively at all. It just adds this lovely depth of seasoning that goes so well with the lamb. Okay, I think we're ready to add everything else. We're going to add to this 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. That's just beef stock. Some red wine, a couple of bay leaves. I'd probably start putting some seasoning in there now. So some black pepper and another pinch of salt. Some red wine vinegar and my beautiful shanks. So I'm just going to nestle them all in there. I'm going to pop that on meat, poultry, and away we go. We're going to depressurize. Let's see how this has gone. Oh, I wish you could smell that. It's divine. So those shanks have just fall apart now and beautifully gelatinous. I'm just gonna take them out and shred all the meat off them. I'm going to start shredding my shank meat off the bone, and you can see it's just sliding off with ease. So just take all the meat off the bone and then return it back into the sauce. And then you can add whatever you want to this. I'm gonna eat it with risoni or even tagliatelle, any type of pasta. So I'm going to add risoni just because it's so easy and it just soaks up all that gorgeous sauce. And of course, the risoni can be pre-cooked in the Crockpot Express. I'm just going to taste for seasoning. Oh wow, that's so beautifully rich. I'm going to add a bit more salt and some pepper also. I'm ready to plate up. Oh wow. And that's my tomato and anchovy lamb shank ragu cooked in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multicooker.